What's up, everybody? I want you to see the ones who are going to be stalking and harassing me. Today is, today is Juneteenth. I called off work today, and we're going to see if there are anybody who feels a way about it that I called off work on Juneteenth. I am also an NAACP member as of today. Got back. I used to be an NAACP member, and now I finally got back with them. It's a blessing, and it felt right. So again, we're gonna see probably police officers stalking me, motorcyclists stalking me, these cars waiting on the side of the road. Normally, there's a car over here that waits closer to the. This is a dirt field where people do like they'll park their car and do like California trails and stuff like that. But you'll always see a car over here in the more corner, in this first corner right here. That's where a lot of the cars, like right here, that's where a lot of the cars be. um I don't know if they're out doing their trail. It looks like they're doing their trail, but I always have to record because of the cars that are stalking me. Glory to God. So let's see how many police officers or people who stalk me. So we got one right here. Let's see if they try to go after I drive. Glory to God. And this is me. I'm about to start driving. Let's see if they pull off after I drive. Here comes this car. Again, I wasn't supposed to know. Glory to God. Here's one of the stalkers right here. That's one. Let's see how many we see. Again, I told you we were gonna see a motorcyclist and a police officer. Told you.